Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing what is trending on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the Twitter app and from the home page tap on the search icon from the bottom menu bar. It will open the For You section by default. You need to tap on Trending from the top of the page. You will now see a list of everything that is currently trending on Twitter in your country. It is ordered from the highest to lowest and numbered also. Scroll down the page to see everything. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.